Want to learn how to change a username on TikTok? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on Edit Profile option. Tap on Username below name. So here, you can choose a suitable username for yourself, just like this. So you can see that username can contain only letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. Changing your username will also change your profile link. So when you're done with choosing a suitable username for yourself, tap on Save on the top right corner. So you can change your username once every 30 days. Tap on Set Username. So this is it. You can see it has been saved and my username has been changed successfully. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.